Want to know the status of your T-Mobile rebate? It's easy. The fastest way is through the My T-Mobile app version 10.5 or later. Or check the T-Mobile website. Log into your account. Navigate to the account section. Then look for payments and credits. And finally, rebates. Here, you'll see a dashboard displaying the status of your rebate, whether it's processing, approved, or issued. Push notifications will also keep you updated. Most rebates are now digital virtual cards, so expect an email with an activation link for online or in-store use. Aim to see a payout within 3 to 5 business days for eligible claims. T-Mobile offers several types of rebates to make switching or upgrading easier. The most common are bill credits, which reduce your monthly bill automatically, and virtual prepaid cards sent via email for instant online use. Physical checks are available, but less common nowadays. If your rebate is delayed, first double-check your promotion code, device IMEI number, and eligibility requirements like activation within the promotion timeframe. Common hold reasons include pending device activation or fraud review for suspicious claims. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile customer support by dialing *611 or using the live chat feature in the app or website. Be ready to provide your account details and promotion information for faster resolution. For security, virtual prepaid cards use tokenization to protect against fraud. Rebates work on a prove and claim model, where you submit required documentation and T-Mobile validates it for payout. Looking ahead, expect AI-powered automated status checks to make the process even smoother.